We're going to try to reclaim this screen right here. As you can see, is used. There's already an image. First, we're going to clean out all the ink. So just make sure that you take out all the ink from the screen first before you start cleaning your screens. So now that we got the ink removed from the screen, apply the emulsion stripper. So that'll remove all the emulsion that's on there. But right after you spray, give it a couple brushes down. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but as you can see, it'll start to break the emulsion down. What I like about it the most, it doesn't really have that real like chemical smell. And again, shout out to Ryonet for sending me this, and then we can power wash it right after. I would recommend getting a power washer too, makes the life a lot easier. You got the emulsion off. So like right here in this corner, I don't know if you can see it, but you can still see the outline of the registration right here called hazing. You still may see a ghost image of the design that you burned on there, which you would want to use the degreaser to make sure I took off all the grease off the stain and oils, anything that's probably still lingering. And then after that, the green stuff, and that will remove the ghost imaging and everything on there. So let me degrease it first, and then I'm going to add the green stuff to set it up for the dry. So let's do it. So let's check it out. As you can see, you don't see that registration mark anymore. Everything seems pretty good. I'm happy with the results. I want to give a shout out to Ryonet to use their product to test it out. Definitely be purchasing this. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the bio as well. I'm going to also show you what a screen would look like if you don't dehaze your screens and properly reclaim them. Let me see if I can get it in the light. Right there, this part right here, you can see that, but that's from the old design. If I was to wash it out, there's a high possibility that the old design will also wash out. And that's the most important and real big reason why you want to properly reclaim your screens. Save yourself the headache and get you the reclaim kit. All right, let's go.